So this is about friction circle method. This method is applicable to C5 soil and assumes the failure surface as an arc of a circle. Now let's consider this diagram. So this AB represents the slope surface. BC is the berm here. Okay. So this is the friction circle located and this is the failure envelope. So this line indicates the failure envelope. W is the sulfate of the soil and this loading diagram and all other forces are shown here like this. So W is the sulfate of the soil wedge. It is A, B, C, B, A. So this is the sulfate of soil. R is the reaction. There is a reaction from the soil here, and Cm into Lr. It is the cohesion component along the surface ADC. Okay, look at into details here. Figure shows a failure arc of radius r. Radius r is here shown here. So this is the radius r with O as center. So this one is the radius OA and O is the center. In the friction circle method, the analysis of C5 soil, the resultant vector capital R, that is the resultant vector capital R, this one, at an obliquity of phi to an element of failure R will be tangential to the small circle of radius kr sin phi. So this is the circle. Small circle of radius kr sin phi is therefore called a friction circle. So this is the friction circle. In phi circle system with a known phi, the following quantities are known: the magnitude and the direction of weight of sliding wedge W. So already I told this one. So this is the self weight W. Direction of the resultant reaction R. So whatever the reaction is developed, that is a capital R. And direction of total cohesion Ci parallel to the chord AC. So this direction, that is the cohesion. To determine the magnitude of R and cohesion Cm, force triangle is constructed in which the magnitude of W is known. The factor of safety with respect to cohesion based on the assumption that the frictional strength has been fully mobilized is given by Fc is equal to C upon Cm. A number of slip circles are analyzed and lowest factor of safety is likely to be failure plane. So this method is expected only theoretical point of view. So there will be no questions of problems will be asked on friction circle method. So what you have to remember here? So there will be a trial circle, that is a friction circle. So you can draw a tangent to this line as well as you have to join this O point with this here perpendicular. So this will represent the capital R here. So this is the resultant tangential reaction. So this line represents direction of capital R, W is the self weight, and Cem into Lr, that is a cohesion. So this is exactly perpendicular to this point. So this you can see. So this Cm into Lr and R are the perpendicular to each other and W is the vertical. So this will create a right angle triangle here. And using this you can calculate the whatever the resultant R, Cm, etc. So this is the method of friction circle method.